The United Nations stands as a beacon of international cooperation and global unity. Through the lens of AI-generated visuals, we are transported into the heart of its multifaceted mission. The scene opens with a panoramic view of the United Nations headquarters in New York City, its iconic structure a testament to decades of diplomacy. We transition into the General Assembly, where diplomats from every corner of the world engage in animated discussions. The air thick with the weight of their decisions affecting millions. These visual narratives underscore the relentless pursuit of peace and consensus. Moving beyond diplomacy, the story shifts to UN peacekeepers in action. Their blue helmets and uniforms stand out against the backdrop of conflict zones, symbolizing hope and stability. These peacekeeping forces are seen negotiating with local leaders, protecting civilians, and aiding in the rebuilding of war-torn communities. The emphasis here is on their bravery and commitment to maintaining international peace and security. Humanitarian efforts come to life next, with scenes of UNICEF workers distributing supplies to children in refugee camps and WHO teams administering vaccines in remote villages. These images highlight the tireless efforts to provide essential healthcare and support to the most vulnerable populations. UNESCO's role is portrayed through visuals of educational initiatives, building schools in impoverished regions, and preserving cultural heritages around the world. The narrative also delves into sustainable development initiatives, showcasing projects aimed at combating climate change and fostering environmental sustainability. From the planting of trees in deforested areas to the implementation of clean energy solutions in developing nations. These efforts reflect the UN's commitment to creating a sustainable future. The visuals bring us to Geneva and Vienna, emphasizing the global reach of the United Nations. In Geneva, we see intense negotiations and conventions addressing global health issues, human rights, and disarmament. Vienna highlights the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNOC, battling international crime and promoting justice. The concluding scenes weave together the various threads, celebrating the UN's agencies like UNICEF, UNESCO, and WHO, as they work tirelessly across the globe. The unifying themes of global cooperation, diversity, and a shared vision for a better future resonate through each frame. The United Nations, in its tireless efforts, continues to embody the ideals of peace, security, human rights, and sustainable development for all.